Hi everyone, Chris here with My Old House Fix, and yeah, we're still working on this kitchen. Still not done yet. I've got one more handle to put on, so today we're going to show you how to easily install some kitchen hardware. Let's get to it. As you see, we have a template set up on here, and we just need a drill, a 1/8 drill bit for a pilot hole, and a screwdriver. So I have the template set up here, and it's adjusted to the center up and down and the center left and right, which matches screws in the pattern for our hardware. So first we'll drill a pilot hole with a 1/8 inch drill bit. So we'll do that. And the second one. Okay, now we'll switch to the larger bit that will fit the screws. We'll change that out. We'll drill the final hole. Okay, now we've switched out to a 3/16 drill bit, and we'll make the final holes for the screws. Okay, and most importantly, you want to make sure you drill through both panels, so the panel itself and the inside piece. And again, the most important step here is the template, just to make sure you have everything lined up correctly, make sure your handles are straight. The template really helps out. Again, you just make it from the same pattern as your hardware, transfer it to a piece of tape, and it's a pretty easy way. So now we'll take off the template and we'll install the screws. And the handle. And then we'll tighten it up. And there we go. Installing your cabinet hardware made easy. Okay, hope that helped, and we'll see you guys later.